The French doors on the closet in my bathroom required a lot of force to pull open. So much force that my son pulled the knob off the door when attempting. This issue can be resolved by adjusting the height of the ball catch. In this case, both ball catches were installed too high, which made it hard to free up from the strike plate once the door was forced shut. In fact, it was installed so high that it even struck the door jamb molding. The height of the ball can be adjusted without removing it from the door. However, I will show you how to remove it in case a new one has to be installed. Simply take a flathead screwdriver and pry it from the door in this manner. Now that it's free, I can take this opportunity to explain its anatomy and how its height can be adjusted. The ball is enclosed in a housing and is spring-loaded as seen here. Here's a view of the internal spring. The threaded mill housing has two notches on its upper perimeter. These notches aid in gripping for height adjustment. On the outside is a black shroud that serves as a wedge when seating the whole unit. There is a protrusion on each side that will help wedge it into place when installing. Remember to have the protrusions at the top of the shroud when putting it together. When adjusting the height, simply use your fingers to screw the mill housing up or down. In this case, I'm going to thread it down to lower the height. When decreasing the height, you may lose grip when the threaded housing gets too low. At this point, the notches come in handy. Use a pair of sharp scissors, tweezers, hemostats, or needle nose pliers, and place the tips in the notches in order to grip. Use these tools to lower the ball the rest of the way. If replacing the ball catch, here's how to install the new one. Place the ball catch into the hole on top of the door. Use your hand to drive it in. Then place a piece of scrap wood on top of it while compressing the ball. Use a hammer or rubber mallet to seat it into place. Finish adjusting the height with your fingers or with a tool until you get the perfect height that you desire. The door can now be opened and closed with ease.